Now, one of the greatest joy I have for running this YouTube channel is to show you guys, my precious viewers out there, what is the most advanced, latest, affordable technology there is out there. And when it comes to the principal interest, as per the name of this channel, is the AI and robotics. And today we got a big one actually. So I've been promoting this Doly robot from Limitbit for more than 3 years that finally is going to happen. And yes, we finally got it in front of me here. So this is the AI powered app-free interaction, voice control, assistant, self-charging, max privacy, which is good to know, add-ons, upgradable, 3D printable, open source, robotics, coding as well. And they also kindly introduced and include the track pack on the backside as well, which is yellow, blue, pinkish, green as well. And one thing that strikes out most is that it's made in Canada for the both track pack and the actual Doly robot as well. So let's find out how good made in Canada is, shall we? So here it goes. Okay, so let's open it up. So that's how it looks like on the back hand side with the QR code and a bar on the bottom. So if we lift this up, we got Limitbit and Doly. Cut this one out, and then moment of truth. What's inside? Wow. We got a thank you note for believing in Doly. Yes, I did believe in you for many years, dear backer. That's the quick letter. All right, so we got a shiny, cute sticker for Doly, 2 of them. Very nice. So if you pull out this Doly card here, it says, "Hi, I'm your new robotic friend. Together we'll explore, create, and make amazing memories." And there's a QR code for quick start guide. And the moment of truth, let's pull it out. Look at that. We got Doly here. So this is actually much smaller than I thought it's going to be. Big word of Doly here. Nice motor to start with. I presume that's for the vent for the actual screen here. Now we got these sensors here for the front, and also there should be one for the back as well at some point. Oh, here it is. So on the bottom, these are the typical sensors for avoiding robots to fall off the cliff. Okay, got something very interesting here which I never seen. Oh, that's a power button, that's why. Okay, and that's for the wireless charging. Doly, and we got the arms lit up and so on. And lastly, the camera at front as well, with the Doly popping up because I pressed the power accidentally. Here we have it, folks. Doly is now finally saying hello to me. Really nice, actually. Is exactly how I predicted it's gonna be. Oh, very loud, but that's how it is. It's not liking it that I'm holding it up. Okay, so it's scanning around the room with an angry expression. It's very well animated, isn't it? Now if we were to do a size comparison with Louis robot, the actual main body seems almost identical actually. That's the thickness or the height of it as well, other than the Louis robot has this motor body on top of it. But yeah, that's very nice. And with the size of Vector robot, as you can see, it's much flatter and wider. Actually, the wheel platform is similar height, and so on. So let's remove the final package. So what do we have here is the charging dock station, and it's intact with the USB-A cable. Yep, here it is. So that's pretty straightforward with the symbol that Doly robot will recognize and charge it here. Okay, with Doly logo and the rubber on each edge. So I guess overall, for the size of it and based on my experience with these sensors and so on, it's safe to say that this is a desktop pet, just like any others, isn't it? So that's Doly robot here. So if you were to kindly scan the QR code here, what we get is this Doly website of quick start guide. So I will go through that and come back to you soon. Now, one thing that is great to know is that this Wi-Fi network support for Doly Robot works both for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 as well. And if we were to scroll down, this is the anatomy of Doly, okay? So the things I forgot to mention is that there are microphone within the actual front sensor, and also the screen is a touch sensor as well, okay? So if we were to zoom right in to Doly itself, I don't know, yeah, there you go. So you can see the microphone hole here. And apparently this is a touch screen as well. So please note that Doly Robot is run by Raspberry Pi CM4, okay? And if we were to take out this wheel, just for the sake of it, if we take out the lid here, this is the I/O port here. So you can plug it in and program it and so on. That's quite cool, isn't it? That's very good. So on the Google Play Store, we got Doly Limit app. So all I need to do is install the app. Okay, so this is the welcome page, and for the language, quite interestingly, we got English Australia, China, India, Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, United Kingdom, and United States. So let's go for United Kingdom, and the time zone, obviously you can choose whichever zone you're based at. Right, so we got Bluetooth connection and it's recognizing Doly 67204, and we're connecting. We got the code as well, so we just need to put in the Wi-Fi password and the code. Indeed. So after the Bluetooth connection and the Wi-Fi, we got the main page here. So this is the utilities, settings, Blockly, interact, customize, and explore as well. So it's also showing the state of Doly as well, saying it's bored, and the mood switches around here and there. The reason Doly is bored is because I put it on the charging dock and it's getting a rest, okay? So if we go to utilities, we got clock, timer, photo, weather, identify, light. So if we click on clock,
7:54 p.m.
That's cool. 7:64 p.m., which is correct. Okay. So just talk to Doly and active this feature. So main menu, interact, say, and page for examples. Okay. So let's try the voice command, shall we? So hi Doly, what's the time?
7:56 p.m.
Very good. So next one on the timer, again, you can actually say this as a voice command, or you can actually manually put this and then start the timer as well. So let's try the voice command, shall we? So hi Doly, set a timer for 2 seconds. That's very cool. I like that. Very well animated, isn't it? So let's try the photo. So at the moment there isn't any, so I think you can actually press the new. It took a photo, and as you can see, that's a very good quality photo that I can see, especially on the mobile phone quality. So that's very good. Let's see if Doly could take a photo by voice command, shall we? So hi Doly, take a photo. It works. Okay, so let's actually go to utilities, photo, sync, and here we have it, folks. That's me smiling at Doly. Well done. So for the weather itself, if you click on it,
12 Celsius degree.
12 Celsius degree. It actually shows the animation as well. And on the main screen itself, it's showing that it is cloudy as well. So that's very good. So let's try the voice command for it. Hi Doly, what is the weather?
12 Celsius degree.
That's very good. So the next one is identify. So if you take a photo and your username and scan, Doly will be able to recognize you. So I put in as most handsome boy, and if we scan it, look at that. That's how Doly can scan you. That's really good, isn't it? well animated, and it actually shows you how you could be recognized as well. Now we're on the lights at the moment. Currently it's off, but if we press next, we got brown, dark blue, blue, sky blue, cyan, dark green, green, lime, magenta, purple, yellow, gold, orange, pink, dark red, red, salmon, gray, white, and lastly off. So the next one is Blockly. So there are beginner, standard, and advanced. So the beginner, okay, so this is for coding. For you guys who are learning how to code, you can definitely add and play around with it. Sound drive. So this is completely good for educational purpose, for coding as well. So to quickly run through, this is the sound, drive, aim, lights, and time. Okay, so on the interact, if you click on it, we got say, play, and skills as well. So if we click on say, we can ask the weather, clock, timer, day, date, identity check, photo, arm movement, light control, eye customization, movement control, sleep, stop, volume control, friendly action, greetings, about me, friendship talk, compliments, unkind phrases, games, imagine, special occasions, basic math, and animals as well. So if you were to try the unkind phrases, so hi Dolly, you are a bad robot. Bad robot. Look at that. That's very good. It's really well animated, isn't it? It's like doing this martial art. Let's do that again. Hi Dolly, you are a bad robot. A bad robot. That's very good. Well done. So after upsetting Dolly, let's do some friendly friendship talk. So, hey Dolly, what did you do today?
I practiced being awesome.
Well done. Hi Dolly, what do you want to do?
Maybe a style change. I'm ready to glow up.
Okay. Hi Dolly, do you have friends?
Absolutely. I love making new ones.
Okay. Hi Dolly, do you like humans?
You are all so wonderfully unpredictable.
Okay, I think this one is going to be very interesting. Hey Dolly, surprise me.
Boo, just kidding.
Just keep animating, isn't it? It's very well animated as well, with the eye expression and so on. Hey Dolly, surprise me.
Surprise, you're amazing.
Ah, very nice. So if you go to play, click on it. There are 3 types of games: quick match, super spin, and sleepy dolly. Okay, so if you press quick match, start the game.
Heavy.
Oh, okay. So I think it's to match the color. So, okay, I think that I got that correct. Okay, that's correct. So I think it's the eye color with the light as well. Oh, I got it wrong. Anyway,
Game over. Do you
it's
like to play
enjoying that I'm losing the game. Very naughty robot. Yeah, there you go. Now next is the super spin. Start the game.
Okay.
Ready? Yep. Spin it, is it? Okay. Yay! So that's how you win it. And if it doesn't match, you lose. Okay. Try again. Okay, so until you get the match, you go on and on. Okay? Very good. And finally, let's play Sleepy Dolly, shall we? So if we start the game.
Get ready.
Okay. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. Am I supposed to not touch it? Okay. What if I touch it? Ah, okay. So if you touch it, it gets really annoyed with the red light. Okay. That's what it is. Cool. And on the skills, we got one reward here. So that's congratulations, color creativity brought out. Okay. And another one, congratulations, snapping. Okay, so that's basically your achievement of what you learn from Doly so far. Okay, so the next one is customize. So you can actually change the eye style to such things. Okay, so as you can see, if I were to scroll it and zoom right into Doly, that's the glow, orbit, space, modern, classic, digi, and so on. Okay, eye color, you can change to blue, dark blue, brown, black, white, gray, salmon, red, dark red, pink, orange, gold, yellow, purple, magenta, lime, green, and so on. And on the background, we got white, but you can actually change to, oh, this is the eye color. Okay, the background eye, pink, orange, gold, yellow, purple, magenta, lime, green, cyan, and so on. So that's very customizable with the eye color as well. And lastly, we got explore. And if we press OK, you'll be able to see me on my desk through the lens of Doly, and you can control Doly around with this control as well. Okay, that's a nice shot. And you can also do different sort of coloring, arm movement as well. So those are the things you can do and so on. And I think that's really good to have this function that the other robots do not have. So you can patrol around with this at your home. Now, comparing to the other first impressions I had with the previous robot so far, nothing made me laugh more than Doly Robot, because Doly Robot has its own unique personality. It's very aggressive, and it could actually express the great anger to you, and it's trying to really annoy you as well many times. And the voice itself, you can tell it has a bit of a character. The rest of the robots, I have to say, I won't name it, but they're a bit more programmed and a bit, you know, dull in some sense. And I was actually a bit surprised, because I thought it only functioned on the given commands, but I actually gone a bit aggressive behind the curtain, like saying, for example, shut up, and actually Doly said, oh, that's not very nice to me. So I was a bit surprised with it. So don't worry, there's going to be a lot of commands that Doly will be able to understand with your interaction. But at the moment, just like any other robots initially, it does not have ChatGPT on it. So I really look forward for that update to come along, so it could rise up to the fame to the rest of the robot as well. There you go. So Doly is being a bit aggressive here again. So I hope this helped you understand how cool Doly Robot is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is Robot Review Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.